The big news today really is that interest rates, although they fell to a level we haven't closed at since early October, 308 close on Friday, they're now hovering just under 311, which by all technical accounts seems to be one of the more important pivotal areas for interest rates. And do keep in mind, simple issues like just the 3% level itself is big psychologically. And when we look at what's going on in Europe, where rates are now lower than they finished last year, it really starts to hit home. We close at 43 on Boons. They're trading under 40. We close at 241 in 10s, and we are trading at a level of 310, which is only 13 basis points away from a 7-year high yield close. And this is despite all the volatility. We know that whether it's central bank meetings, ours in particular, or big jobs report, GDP reports, the biggies, we always see a blip, sort of like an EKG of the bond market. So it wouldn't be out of the ordinary to go into Wednesday's ADP and Friday's big jobs report at a key level. It's almost a binary trade. If it's strong or if wages pick up, most likely we will jump back up towards the high 3 teens. Many believe 3% is your downside support should the jobs numbers disappoint. But it isn't only that. The other big deal is just the issues of exit. When you consider how wide a disparity there is, not only in our rates versus the key rates of Japan, China, Germany, it really is going to be a big job having their central banks try to get along in an exit like the U.S. Now, when we think of what's going on with Draghi and how most likely he's gone in 2019, certainly looks like Angela Merkel is going to be a same scenario. She's not going to run for party chairmanship again in December, so most likely we are going to see some major power changes. With Angela Merkel, though, and Mario Draghi, what it underscores is a dynamic going around the globe that traders need to pay attention to, whether it's Tea Party, whether it's Brexit, whether it's what's going on in Italy, whether it's what's going on in general about big government versus more localized government and the national trends that go with it. These certainly seem as strong as ever, and certainly Angela Merkel paid a price. As a famous first female chancellor, she's going to go down in history with good marks. But how will the economy fare? Today, the markets rallied in her absence.